feel that burning in your chest after you eat, like a little volcano trying to come out? That, my loves, is acid reflux. Today I will show you how to stop it naturally. No pills, just old home remedies from Nonna Tina, the Italian grandmother. Ciao, belly! I'm Nonna Tina from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. Let me explain it simple. You eat, the food goes down into your stomach, but sometimes the acid from your stomach climbs back up into your throat. Ahi, that's not where it belongs. It feels like fire or heartburn. This is what we call acid reflux. Now listen closely. Most people think it's too much acid causing the burn, but no, the truth, it's usually not enough acid. When your stomach doesn't make enough acid, the little valve that keeps things down there, it gets lazy, so things bubble up. The solution, help your stomach make more of the right acid. Let me tell you what helped me, and what can help you to stop your acid reflux. It's called betaine HCl with pepsin. Don't be scared by the fancy name. It's just a natural helper for your belly. Betaine HCl helps raise the acid levels in your stomach. That's important, especially if you don't have enough. And pepsin? That's a friendly little enzyme that helps break down proteins from your food. When your digestion is working properly, your whole body feels better. Please keep in mind that some people, especially those with low stomach acid, find this remedy brings real relief from acid reflux. But listen to Nonna. This isn't for everyone. It's important to understand both the benefits and the possible risks. Always talk to a trusted healthcare professional before trying something new, okay? Now, miei cari amici, if you and your doctor think it's a good fit, start slowly. One little capsule before your biggest meal. Still, feel the fire? Try 2 next time. Go slow and listen to your belly. When you feel a warm, cozy glow, not burning, eh? That means you found your perfect dose. Wondering where you can find betaine HCl with pepsin? You can find them in pharmacies and local natural health stores, or you can buy one online via my link in the description. If you have acid reflux, make sure you try these little helpers to support your digestion. Sea salt helps your body make stomach acid. Add a pinch to your meals. Eat potassium-rich foods like spinach, sweet potatoes, and bananas, but avoid those that are too ripe. Try zinc, found in pumpkin seeds or sardines. You need it to make acid in your belly. Listen here. If you eat when you're stressed, mad, or rushing, the stomach shuts down. You need to be calm and happy. Maybe listen to soft music, light a candle, and sit down like a civilized person. That's when digestion works best. In my house, we always say, mangia con amore, digerisci con felicità. You should know that many people run to the antacids and the PPIs, those little pills, but they just hide the symptoms, and over time they make things worse. They rob your body of minerals, make your digestion lazy, and invite bad bacteria to grow. You don't want that. Trust Nonna. So remember, acid reflux is a sign your belly needs support, not suppression. Start with betaine HCl, add those helper minerals, eat slowly, and reduce stress. You'll feel better soon, naturally, like Nonna always says. If this video helped you, fammi un favore. Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell so you never miss Nonna's healing secrets. Before you go, please write in the comments, What remedies do you need from Nonna Tina next?
Stay well.
Until next time, stay well. And remember, Nonna's kitchen always has another secret waiting. Ciao.